In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code that links directly to your OneDrive documents. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you frequently share documents with others and want a quick, efficient way to do so. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to turn any of your OneDrive documents into a QR code that can be easily scanned and accessed by anyone you'd like to share it with. Let's start by accessing your OneDrive account, which you can do by logging into your Microsoft account and navigating to the OneDrive section. Once you're logged in, browse through your files to find the document you would like to share. Hover over your document, and you'll typically see a small checkmark appear to signify that it's selected. Click on this checkmark to ensure the document is highlighted. Next, look for that Share button, which is usually located at the top of the screen. After clicking on the Share button, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to send the document. Here, you will be given a few options such as email, link, and more. From these, choose the option to create a link. It's important to check the link settings. You generally have various options, such as allowing people to edit, blocking downloads, or setting expiration dates. Adjust these settings according to your privacy needs and the level of access you want to grant to the recipient. Once you've set your sharing preferences, create the sharing link. This will generate a URL that you can now turn into a QR code. To do this, you'll need to use a QR code generator. There are many available online for free, so choose one that you trust. Open the QR code generator in your web browser and look for the field where you can input a URL. Copy the URL that was generated from your OneDrive sharing settings and paste it into this field. After you paste the link, you should see an option to create the QR code. Go ahead and click on that. Within seconds, a QR code that links to your OneDrive document will be generated. You can download this QR code as an image and share it through various means, whether you want to email it, embed it in documents, or print it for physical sharing. Remember, anyone who has access to this QR code will be able to view the document, depending on the settings you chose earlier. So, make sure that the permissions reflect your sharing intentions. This kind of digital sharing really enhances productivity and convenience, especially in situations where sharing an actual document isn't feasible. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your OneDrive document. Whether you're using it for personal organization or professional presentations, this technique will save you time and effort. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial as empowering as it is practical. Happy sharing!